in which we are we are working to revive paddy cultivation across Goa. Now here you can see in the background, this is a part of Father George's initiative under Chinchini Agricultural Club, wherein we are cultivating almost 1.3 lakh square meters of area, which is Jyoti and Jaya, which is mixed, but depending on this thing. So we are cultivating, we are basically harvesting Jyoti variety now because it's a little earlier than Jaya. So Jaya is another 7 days out for harvesting. We are getting a good, this time it was fairly a good crop, I would say, because of the unpredictable rains and all. There's some lodging at the end, and there's a loss, I would say, at the little portions of the fields, because we can't predict the weather. And overall, it's a good crop.
Besides Chinchini, which other areas?
Besides Chinchini, there is Naveli, there's Benaulim, which is recently taken up. There's Kolva, and then Sajora also, which is close by over here, which is basically we are harvesting now at the point of time. So yeah, these are the areas around here.
In Salset?
In Salset, yeah. Outside also there are quite a lot. Other team trained by Father George, that is going for Shetkar, which is taking care of the north part of the Goa.
Three people involved in that, and he is one of the main persons there. He also does the same thing, drives the tractor, transplanter, and a drone man. Since he is associated with aircraft, all the drone he drives. And we have used the drone many times here before, including when Chief Ministers from Punjab came, Bhagwant Mann, then Chief Minister of Delhi, Sri Arvind Kejriwal. We demonstrated them, and he was surprised that this technology was not being used even in Punjab and in Haryana also. Yeah, now behind me there is an area which we call Borden Fields. This area is somewhere between, actually the total is around 15 hectares, but at present we have planted only 13 hectares. That is 1.3 lakh square meters. We have put a mix this year seed of Jyoti and Jaya.
So Chinchini Farmers Club तुमका help करता? और सर help करना? हाँ, thank you.
So father and
सिंगाबी रोयता
हाँ.
आज पीक जाता आता पासाचे पण आता आमकां भरपूर हेल्प करता